Hey Keith, Brittany here. We spoke last week and I want to apologize that there was quite a delay on this. Something came up that was out of my control that had to push me off till doing this today, unfortunately. But I still wanted to make sure that I was able to get this recorded and sent out to you as promised. So I didn't forget about you, and again, I apologize. So let me go ahead and get started here. There's a few things I want to go over with you today, and that's going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So let me not take up too much more of your time here, and let me just go ahead and get started. So that first thing that I want to go over with you is going to be content. Now, content is going to be anything that's included on your website, and that's going to include all this wording that's down here and any photos that are on your website. Now, also the photos, how they are saved and what's behind the photos is all going to be considered content for your website. And with Google, they recommend about 1,500 to 2,000 words. That's also going to be depending on the competition in the area and the number of keywords needed. And what a keyword is it's going to be anything that someone might type into the Google search engine looking for a particular service or product in their area. Now, in your content, you can place these keywords and these key phrases throughout to tell Google exactly what you want your website to be found for or known for. So with you being a home exterior painter specialist, that's what you want to do. Make sure you put in a lot more like exterior painting services, Sacramento area. You want to implement these keywords in so you are more searchable on the Google search engine. Like, let's take a look at one of your competitors in the area. Jay's Painting Services has a lot of content on their page, and that's where they have those keywords. Painting service in Sacramento, our experienced painters. There was another one, painting services for the greater Sacramento area. These are all keywords and key phrases that are used that when people are looking for these services, he's one of the ones that is going to pop up first because these are being implemented on his webpage. Now, another thing we want to go over with you is going to be backlinks. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. Now, these links are going to act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses as a way to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins, aka people's websites pointing at them. Now, however, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting that you want relative to your industry with local websites that those are the ones that are going to work the best. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at here. This is a tool that we use that we're able to see how many backlinks your website has. Now, as you can see here, there's 4 backlinks, meaning 4 other websites are pointing back to yours. Now, where if we take a look over here at Jay's, they have 238 backlinks pointing back to their website. So they have a lot more credibility in Google's eyes with those backlinks. Now, another thing I want to go over with you is citations. And what a citation is it's going to be anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as your Google business profile shows it. Now, citations help you rank in this map pack here. And it's extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amount of income for these businesses. So where all these citations are found are going to be on directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, BBB, and hundreds of others that you probably heard of. Now, another way to go about it is social media accounts. Those are great too. And the idea behind all of this is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google is going to trust you. And once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely they are going to be able to rank you above them. Now, once your content, backlinks, and citations all come together, you start to outgrow your competitors. And here's what you might be looking at and why. If we go back to over here, you're going to see what this organic traffic is. And basically, using these keywords, these backlinks, these citations, you're going to have a lot more chances of people clicking on your website, and you're going to get that traffic. And then that way you'll hopefully be able to turn them more into leads and get that revenue. Now, I'm not sure what your current margins are, but I bet this would definitely help you a lot and generate some pretty decent revenue for you in the long run. Now, there's also usually many more keywords that you could use to generate more and more traffic and leads to your website. Now, Keith, I wanted you to know this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help generate these leads online. Now, if you find yourself wanting more information to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for you and your business and what it might take to reach those goals. So Keith, thank you again for your patience. I once again apologize for how long this took for me to get this out to you. Once again, my name is Brittany. Feel free to reach out to me at any time. My door is always open. Once again, my phone number is 916-800-0263, and I will be glad to answer any questions you have along the way. And if you could just leave any feedback on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much again. You have a wonderful day.